In this video, I'll show you how you can potentially view someone's private inventory. Now, first, what you want to do is you want to find a person. So I'm just going to select some random people. Let's just do this guy. Now from in here, what you want to do is you can click on the three dots up here and you can see their inventory. As you can see, I can see their inventory like usual. Now, if they have privated something and you want to see, there's a little kind of trick that you can potentially see some of their private stuff. What you can do is you can come back to their profile and you can go to favorites right here. Now inside favorites, as you can see, they will show what they have favorited even if they have privated the item. So you can potentially see some of their privated items by going in there and checking for the favorites. That's basically how you can do it, guys. Now, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.